Hello friends, this is Amit here from Master Fluid Solutions. Come see us at IMTS to learn how our super reliable long life fluids can help your production run all night long.
Hi, this is Dave Barnett, Senior Vice President and General Manager of Master Fluid Solutions North American Business. Just hoping to see you at IMTS this year. As a longtime Association for Manufacturing Technology member, Master looks forward to these events where we can connect with industry leaders and newcomers to learn about new technologies. We're hoping you'll stop by our booth to learn about the innovations that we're introducing this year. See you in Chicago.
Hi, I'm Luis Diaz, Regional Sales Manager for the Western U.S. I like attending IMTS because there's nothing like the face-to-face networking opportunities. Hope to see you there.
Hi everyone, Justin Geach, Business Development at Master Fluid Solutions. Looking forward to seeing you all at IMTS this year. It's been 4 years since the last show, and IMTS is a great showcase of manufacturing technology and ideas and the people behind it, so it should be a great show this year.
Hello everyone, this is Monty Datt with Master Fluid Solutions. I would like to invite everyone to IMTS 2022, which is taking place the week of September 12th in Chicago. Our booth will be located on level 3 in the West Building, so come join us. It would be great to reconnect with you all in person after 2.5 years of virtual meetings and lockdowns. See you soon.